Yes, so all right, guys. So I was just on my own, in the middle of the night. Hunger just came knocking on my door, and I had foodstuffs at home. What did I do? I just entered kitchen and I made this yum 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 rice. I chose to use This is dry tatashi, which I went ahead and removed the seeds because the seeds are quite bitter. So you have to take your time and remove all the seeds. And I have some fresh tomatoes and fresh pepper. I put everything inside the pot and boiled it. Like cooked it a little bit for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then took it to the blender, blended, and now added some vegetable oil and put it on pot to fry. And here is my chicken. I'm seasoning with some garlic, some onions, and thyme. I allowed it to marinate for about 1 hour. Because it's night, it didn't actually stay up to 1 hour. So it was about 30 minutes and added few drops of water and steamed it. After steaming it, I just sieved it out as you can see here because I wanted it to come out dry. So I went ahead and put it in a grill pan and I grilled it. And here is my tomato mix. I didn't really fry it like that because it's just little tomato that is inside it. So I just transferred it to my stock as you can see here and added some more spicy. Here is a curry spicy and a mixture of fennel seed, fenugreek seed, coriander seed, and I also added blended onions. And look at my chicken here is getting grilled up. Okay, it's time to transfer the parboiled rice into our stock and tomato mix and add some water, allow it to boil, and look at what we have here. Oh my god. Okay, here it is already half done with a little bit of water inside. I went ahead to add crayfish and spring onions. Yes, that spring onions is like it gives it a very unique taste. Yeah, try it when you want to make your jollof rice. Try using spring onions in it. And look at what we have here. Our jollof rice looking so yummy and delicious. If you're watching this video and you're not yet following my page, because yani ejo doanla, please follow my page. I beg you in the name of God. Please follow my page, like this video, drop a comment, support me. I am begging you. I also have a YouTube channel, Precious Cook. So do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my page on Facebook, drop a comment, like this video, share and share. Okay, here I have dished out my food and it is time to enjoy my delicacy. Stay tuned for more recipes.